Welcome back, guys. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Definitely check our website out, maplemotors.com. We got vehicles for sale. We sell classic muscle cars, and we got some older trucks. Today we're going to go for a test drive in this 1996 1500 Chevy. It's got a 305 working AC. Pretty nice truck inside and out. I just did a walk around video pointing out everything. Any scratches, chips, checking the interior out. And now we're gonna go down the road and do a test drive. Like I said, visit us, maplemotors.com. Financing information, transportation options. It's that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, gonna peek around the interior. Check it out. Everything's nice and clean up in here. Does have a steering wheel cover. It's not all tore up though. Guess they just had the cover on there. The dash looks good. 172,000 miles, probably original. I'm pretty sure the original motor's in here. You gotta jiggle the key like all the other Chevys. And I noticed on this one, you actually gotta push it up into park. If you drop it down like that, it won't come out. The key won't come out. So it goes into park just fine like that, but to get the key out, you gotta jam it up. Aftermarket radio. Oil pressure's coming up, it's all good. Temperature's finally starting to come up on it, it's still cold. AC, freezing cold. All right, guys, it's time. Take off down the road. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get my seatbelt put on. Got some rain coming again, so we're gonna try to get this test drive done before it starts storming on us. I'll go ahead and roll the window up so we can really hear the car and not the wind noise. I cut the AC off for the test drive. So far, so good. Steering feels good. Not acting crazy. It's just your daily driving truck here. Got a little remote for your radio, even though it's within arm's reach. Maybe you'll be standing outside the car. Turn signals are cutting on here. Brights are coming up on the dash. Looks like all of our gauges are working. Horn works. Still waiting on traffic. They opened back up in this town, and it's definitely some of the heaviest traffic I've seen in a while. All right. Kickdown's hooked up, truck's feeling good. Speedo's definitely off a little bit. I don't think I'm running 60. No, I may have been. I'm doing 50 now, I'm passing everybody, so. It's feeling nice and smooth. Just check the brakes out. Brakes feel good. It's not pulling to the left or right. We're going straight down the road. It's a good driving truck so far. Man, so far so good. I mean, this truck runs and drives great, in my opinion. Suspension feels nice. It looks good. stick y'all up here in the driver's seat. Continue on down the road. Motor temperature's still pretty low. Oil pressure's right at 30 at idle. Oh, I dropped you. Bad, guys. I'll show you the dash. Must be because I haven't been licking and sticking since the Corona. See if I can get y'all back up there. Sorry about that. That'll work. Starting to sprinkle on us a little bit, but we got the test drive done. Hopefully you're well informed. We're gonna hit a big old bump on this road right here. Kind of check the suspension out. I'll be sure to hold on to y'all just in case. Let's let that car get on up a little bit here. Bumps right here, nice and smooth. I do think the speedo was reading correct. I was just speeding a little bit. Head on back to the lot, get these videos put together for you. Definitely check out the walk around on the outside of this truck. I point out all the flaws. If you do like the video production, I use a GoPro 7. You can check the link out right below in the bio. And I also use this Teleson. It works very well. I like it because it got the tripod. It just drops down. You can just drop it outside, extend the pole way out. And it's all metal, so yeah, I haven't had it break. I've had a bunch of them different things break, and that one right there has lasted a while. Well, instead of hitting this main road here, we'll drive through Brian's parking lot. Let's look around and see what he's got going on. He's outside like always. So it's Brian's Motorsports. You definitely want to check them out. Look at him. He's holding a big old rim. What's going on here?
Four-wheeler. Oh, big tractor tire.
A four-wheeler.
Wednesday. We do whatever. Whatever Wednesday.
Down here at Brian's Motorsports, it's whatever Wednesday. Got their bays full. There's a Rhino right there. They got lifted Jeeps down here. Oh, Benz. Look at that truck. That thing is ridiculous. Yeah, they're always lifting something or working on something down here. So I like to cruise through and just see what they're doing. So far so good. Look at the gauges on this thing. I'd assume the temperature gauge isn't reading right. If it is, it's just staying really cool all the time. We're gonna get on back up here to the lot. I got another car I'm gonna be getting to after the storm passes. Got a Trans Am sitting there. Same price range as this, actually exact same price as this. So check us out, MapleMotors.com. I do appreciate y'all watching. And I hope y'all have a good one. Thanks again, guys.